How to schedule a post on a Facebook page. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the status box at the top. Then, tap on Photo or Video. From here, you can choose photos or videos from your camera roll to post on Facebook. Select the photo you want and then tap on Next below. Tap on Next again. Here, you can manage the post settings such as post audience. Go to Scheduling options. Then, select Schedule for later. Over here, choose a date and time for when you want the post to be published. After that, tap on Save at the top. Once you're done, tap on Post at the top right corner. Your post is now scheduled. Following these steps, you can easily schedule a post on a Facebook page.